What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we expose the scams lurking online. Today, we're diving deep into cookiestest.com and their flashy promise of a free $100 Crumbl Cookies gift card. Is this a sweet deal or just another nasty scam? Let's find out. First things first, we head over to cookiestest.com. Right off the bat, you see the Crumbl Cookies logo and an enticing offer. Follow a few simple steps to snag a $100 gift card. It sounds deliciously easy, right? Click the link, enter your email and some basic info, complete 3 to 5 tasks, and boom, you get your gift card. But wait, scroll down and what do you see? No contact information, no link to the official Crumbl Cookies site, nada. Who's running this operation? Zero transparency. That's a major red flag. Before you click anything, let's do some homework. We head over to VirusTotal to check these sites. Cookiestest.com? Flagged as phishing. Not good. Now, the link takes us to unlockrwrd.com, and guess what? Another phishing warning. That's 2 big red flags right there. You should have closed cookiestest.com right there. But curiosity got the best of us. Next stop. rewardsgiantusa.com. After a bunch of redirects, classic scammer moves to hide their tracks, we land here. Another VirusTotal check shows this site is flagged as malicious, phishing, and spam. Another slam dunk for scam alert. Taking a closer look at rewardsgiantusa.com, there's a shiny image of a $100 gift card. But here's the catch. You need to complete a ton of tasks and meet various requirements. Initially, they said 3 to 5 tasks, now it's 20? And get this. No affiliation with Crumbl Cookies whatsoever. Total scam vibes. Time to check TrustPilot. Nearly half the reviews are 1 star, and the other half suspiciously high. Diving into the negative reviews, people are screaming about completing tasks but never receiving their rewards. Another pile of red flags. Back to Rewards Giantusa. Let's look at who's behind this website. It's operated by Reward Zone USA, LLC. Quick BBB check? Tons of complaints about unfulfilled promises and terrible customer support. Yet another red flag waving high. Let's sum it up. Zero transparency on cookiestest.com. Multiple phishing warnings across all linked sites. Misleading task requirements. No real connection to Crumbl Cookies. Overwhelming negative feedback and official complaints. All signs point to cookiestest.com being a scam. Don't let your guard down for a free gift card. Protect your personal information and steer clear of these shady sites. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more scam busting content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.